Your weekend's coming, and why not head out to one of these beautiful parks? We got lots of other things going on. Stay tuned for all the events going on your weekend. Do you need to relax more? Well, check out our amazing coloring book, and you could have a more beautiful day. Check the link in the description. Welcome back, Localtarians, to your Local Love Report. This one is for September 16th, 17th, and 18th. That's your Friday, Saturday, and Sunday coming up. We got all the top events for you guys. Lots of great stuff going on this week. We want to tell you all of the fun. And if you want more, we're going to tell you how to get even more great events as well. So make sure and stay tuned. Here we go, Friday. Orlando Burger Week kicks off September 14th through the 28th. You can find it at various locations. $7 will get you some of the most delicious burgers. And you can go to the link in the description. We're going to share that with you down below. 10:30 a.m. Peruvian Music and Dance. Celebrate Hispanic heritage at Orange County Public Library, South Creek. Come on out and enjoy a fun day of music and dance. 5 p.m. on Friday, Icon Park's Oktoberfest celebration. Come on out to Icon Park. It is free. Going on Fridays through Sundays till October 3rd. You don't want to miss all the fun that Oktoberfest brings. 5:30 p.m. Cirque du Soleil drawn to life at Walt Disney World, Disney's Yacht Club Resort, going on now until December 31st. Make sure you come out and find out the wonder that is Cirque du Soleil. 6 p.m. Rock and Roll Reproductive Rights Benefit at Hanau Contemporary Center. $10 to come in and get in on this fight. 6 p.m. The Milky Way Bar plus Bites Crawl at the Milk District. Pom Pom's Tea House and Sandwicheria and Badass Sandwiches going together on this great opportunity. Come on out for $10 and try what they've got going on. 7 p.m. Uptown Vibes, Alex Hayes at Crane's Roost Park, and it's free. So come on out and enjoy this amazing day in the park right there in Altamont. It is so beautiful and a lovely, lovely walk. 7:30 p.m. Young Frankenstein at Osceola Center for the Arts. $24 to $29 will get you into this amazingly funny event. And going on until October 2nd, so come on out and check out the monster. 9 p.m. on Friday, the Occasionals at West End Trading Company. This free show is another great chance for you to get out and enjoy local music. And last but not least for your Friday, Filthy Fridays at Mystics Lounge online. And we're going to put that link down in the description so you can learn all about this amazing burlesque show. It is weekly and only $5 to enjoy. All right, guys, looking for even more? Make sure you ring that bell because we're here every single week giving you the top events for your weekend. But that's not all. If you go over to our Local Love Orlando Entertainment Facebook page, you will find a new event post pinned to the top of the page every day, not just your weekends, every single day. So check it out. All right, guys, let's bring it to the heat of the weekend, Saturday. 9 a.m. Rock Mineral Gem Jewelry and Fossil Show at Sanford Civic Center. This is free to get in and going on until September 18th. Come on out and enjoy this beautiful rocky start to your day. 9:30 a.m. Intro to Buttercream at D&G Occasions. This place is amazing. Make sure you pop in. If you're trying to learn anything about cake decorating, you are going to love it. Or even cookies for that matter. They do all kinds of things. Check out their site to get more information. 10 a.m. Smithsonian Museum Day, celebrating Latin American arts and culture at Orange County Regional History Center. Coming out for this great free event because we can all learn a little bit more about our cultures. 10 a.m. Orlando Beach Show at the Bev Center. $5 will get you into this amazing event. Want to get some of the most amazing custom beads you've ever seen, or just find some that you have a little trouble finding on the regular? Check out this great show. 10:30 a.m. Ballet on the big screen. Swan Lake, the Royal Ballet at Enzian Theater. You do not want to miss out on the opportunity to see this beautiful ballet. 11 a.m. Mary's and Mimosas Brunch Affair at Hamburger Mary's. 12 p.m. Sidetoberfest Sausage Fingers returns at Sideward Brewing. All right, guys, yet another opportunity to enjoy Oktoberfest a little early. Love it, love it, love it. And it's going to be at a place that has some of the most amazing beer. So make sure you check it out for yourself. 2 p.m. Boozy Art Pop-Up at St. Matthew's Tavern. 8 p.m. A night for knocking boots, country to dance to at Will's Pub. $10 you can come in there and get your country dancing on. And last but not least, for your Saturday night, set it off. Freestyle night at Iron Cow. $10 you can come out and check out the best at spitting out those verses. Make sure you guys are following me on TikTok. We got lots of fun stuff going on over there, and you could get your own Orlando shout out. So come hit me up at Amanda Irene Hope. All right, guys, you got it. Here he comes. We're wrapping it up with Sunday. Conflict, an exhibition by Victor Bocas at City Arts. It's free and going on now until October 16th. So make sure that you get out there and check out this beautiful art. 9 a.m. Wonderworks Family Fun Day at Wonderworks Orlando on iDrive. It's going on until September 19th. So come on out and figure out what a wonderful place we actually live in. 10 a.m. Fairy Doors Sketch Hunt 2022 at Harry P. Lou Gardens. Those fairy doors are going to be going on until October 31st, but come on out and enjoy this specialized event just for this particular show. 11 a.m. International Food and Drink Festival 2022 at downtown Orlando at Festival Park. 1 p.m. Guitar Setup 101 Floyd Rose Edition course at El Camino School. 1 p.m. The Almost Fall Fest at Quantum Leap Winery. Come on out and find your favorite fall wine. 2 p.m. Coffee and Conversation series, the hip hop scene in Central Florida at Orange County Regional History Center, and it's free. So come on out and learn about a little hip hop history. 6 p.m. Improvisation practice at Orlando Improv. Come on out. If you've ever wanted to get in on the improv, you have got a great opportunity here. So come on out and check it out. 8 p.m. on Sunday, open mic comedy with Craig Norberg at Austin's Coffee. This free weekly event is there for you comedians to come on out and show us what you got every Sunday. And you want to get there early and sign up because that list will fill up real quick. 9 p.m. Wax and Wayne 34 at Grumpy's Underground Eatery and Lounge. Wax and Wayne is an amazing opportunity to come out and enjoy even more wild music. So check it out for yourself and make your weekend a little more crazy. All right, guys. Well, make sure if you need any more great events for your weekend or any day, not to forget to go over to our local Love Orlando Entertainment Facebook page, and you'll see that event post pinned to the top of the page. But also make sure that you let us know if you've got any events, or if you're a musician, maybe an artist, comedian, poet, whatever you do here in town, that maybe you're a small business owner. Let us know. We love to promote what everybody's doing. And again, make sure you check us out on TikTok. Lots of great shout outs are going out over there. You don't want to miss out on getting yours. Make sure you get out there this weekend, guys, and find an amazing place to eat right here in your own city. There's so much going on, amazing places around every corner, and let us know what your favorite is in the comments below. All right, guys, give us a comment. Let us know what you thought about this video, and if there's anything you need, here is how you can reach us. And other than that, guys, peace. We'll catch you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.